Good morning, class. So we were discussing about the causes of poverty. 4 point we have already discussed. Now the next point is, or cause of poverty is chronic unemployment and underemployment. Okay, chronic means sequential or in sequence, continuous. So beta, India is the country of sustaining chronic unemployment and underemployment. Poverty is just a reflection of unemployment. In 2011-12, the number of unemployed person in India was around 2.45 crore. It further increased to 4.5 crore in 2014. Okay. So one of the cause of the poverty is unemployment. Okay, those who want to work, they are not able to get the job, and when they are not getting the job, then it is leading to the poverty. Okay, the next cause is capital deficiency. Okay, so capital is one of the principal factor of economic growth. Accumulation of capital points to the rise in the production capacity of a nation. Unfortunately, capital stock and capital formation continue to be highly deficient. Lack of capital points to low production capacity. In turn, low production capacity leads to low level of employment, and level of employment implies high level of poverty. Okay, this is the interconnected. Like when we don't have capital, then we will not be able to open different types of industries. Okay, why we are not able to open different types of industries? Because our capital is very low, and when we are not able to establish the industry, then we are not able to provide the employment to the many people, and when we are not providing employment to the many people, what is happening? It is adding, or it is moving towards the poverty. Okay, got my point? And then beta, next point we can say infrastructure. Okay, so when our country's infrastructure is not good, then we are not able to provide the job or create the employment opportunities. Okay, for creating employment opportunity, there should be a sound infrastructure. If infrastructure is not good, then we will not be able to provide the employment, and when we are not providing employment, then again it is leading towards the what? Poverty. Okay, clear? And then beta, next one is outdated social institution. Here I am writing the 8th point. Outdated social institutions. Okay, so the social structure of our country is full of outdated traditions and institutions like caste system and joint family system. Such tradition and institutions obstruct dynamic change in the economy. Growth rate is hampered and poverty is sustained. Okay, here social institute means the society in which we are living. So still many family have the tendency of living in joint family, so they are not allowing their child or children to go outside and work. Outside means from their territory. Okay, so these all custom and tradition is also one of the cause of the poverty. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.